Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fabian Sengmana from Viva Rwanda. It's my pleasure and honor to let you all know more about our findings on Rwanda to the world. Honestly, our starting points are the following. What does the Rwanda to the world mean? Why Rwanda to the world? And what are particularity and uniqueness of Rwanda in general? Rwanda to the world is the project which is aims of crossing the country for showing how particularity and uniqueness of Rwandan, those who are within the country, Rwandan and foreigners who are living in the country, how peaceful and they are proud of being in this country. Because after combination of complex time that we passed on as Rwandans and Africans in general, such as colonization, genocide against the Tutsi or 1994, we make something better. We are united, whereby everyone is proud of being within the country. Rwanda to the world. We are about to show you how Rwandan people we are living. Because there are some African countries and some continents that they hide their history due to the benefit they are expecting to get. When I mention about the history, it reminded me my brother is someone whom we were chatting on social media that I don't want to mention. We chatted like from 2 to 4 days. Then he asked me, "Oh Fabian, where are you from?" I told him that I am Rwandan in Africa. Of course, I was proud of telling him whom I am, because he asked me many questions. Who are you? Where are you from? Oh, what's this professional? How old are you? Things like that and like that. After telling him whom I am, he just shook it. I asked, "Why are you shaking?" He told me, every time that I hear the Rwanda and African in general, because your history is like very big jungle. We are afraid to come there. I said, "Why?" He said, your continent, it's like a dark one. It's a very big jungle. Nobody's wish to come." I was angry for him, and I said, "Oh no, I can't be angry for him, and I can't blame him." It took me so long time for explaining to him that our history that books on US, Asia, Europe are not the same as what we have nowadays. More things changed more than the world can even imagine. That's why we said, okay, we have to be actors of our story. The lectors, filmmakers, it's gonna be our clearly job. And I think this job is for people patriotic, people who love the country, who love the continent, who are proud of whom they are. It's gonna be the job of reporters. So we don't need a BBC, we don't need Jazel, we don't need those newspapers to come and writing to our history. No, we have to be the editor of our own stories. Because if our story books there's something that they put in which is not okay. That's why, as Viva Rwanda, differently from that, we want to show you how unique and particular we are, without going so far, because there are some countries and continents that they hide so far their history. And because I remember I told me, Fabian Dora, Rwanda to the world. How? Because we know that no any country they can put out the business out to the street. I said, no, we are different. I said, because the main reason is why your country they can't put out your illegal activity out to the street, because you know that they are not allowed. But here in Rwanda we are different from that. We have to be the editor, filmmakers who have to make more films that show clearly how our history is. Because like I was telling you about my friends whom we met, it took me so long time just confirming, showing him how differently we are. I think you shall see him on the next coming video. He just giving a testimony. He just testimonies showing how he came. After explaining it to him how Rwanda we are, he books a flight ticket. He come to Rwanda. He is now. You will see him. Don't worry. Because the main reasons why I didn't judge him, when the time a baby born, what's a baby born finding the mom and the dad saying? You can't look to them and detect that they are liars while they're saying the same things. But when you grow, you will better understand some mistakes the parents work. That's it's gonna be your responsibility to change. For us Rwandan and youth, as the strength of the country, we have to be editor of our story. We don't need anybody to come and say, these things are happening, things like that. No, that's nonsense. We have to be proud of whom we are. That's why within our video that you're about to see, we are going to show you how the country is. Not only here, because I think after having Rwanda to the world, we will even having Africa to the world. That will clearly define our continent. So we don't want just those foreigners to just keeping our history, booking them there. No. There are things that were later on the 1 century were not existing. We are now new generation change. It is our time to fight, our time to work hard, our time to show the world. Honorable viewers, in closing, allow me concluding by offering you special thanksgiving for taking your time watching our video, and most welcome to you by commenting, subscribing to our channel. Please you comment and like so that we can know what we can improve and what we can remove. Remember that we are Rwanda, we are a blessed country. Thank you very much.